Say hi, guys. Run, 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 run. Mia is working by herself. Say hi, guys. No, I'm not leaving you, baby. Okay, Mama is here with you. All for done. We are taking a walk. Hey, Miush, say hi. Say hi. Are you tired? Are you tired? It's a beautiful day. Yeah, it's sprinkles. Yeah. Hey, let's go. Yeah. What's that? Yeah, it's open. The water is running. Water. It's water. 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 So guys, I'm done with my exercise. I started my yeah, I started my exercise. So I just finished like a 10 minutes intensive workout. I did not follow anybody. I just created a workout on my head and started doing it. Yeah, so this is why I'm sweating, like I'm drooling with sweat after the morning strolling I did with Madam. I'm giving her a bath. So after the morning strolling we did, I decided to bath her. Then hi guys. Okay, you want to say hi guys? Say hi guys. Say hi guys. Papa. Say good morning. I'll give them kiss. Do that. Give them kiss. Don't carry your face and cover the whole distance. Give them kiss. Okay. So loves, I'm sweating like guys. Look at the sweat. Yeah, I have clothes to fold. I'll fold that one later. So let me go and have my shower. Yeah. So you guys in the next clip. Bye. Say bye. You are giving kiss again. Give kiss again. I say bye. Say bye. Say subscribe.
Yes.
Say like. Say like. I don't say you lick. I say like. Okay, I don't have time for your drama. Alright, let me go shower. See you guys in the next clip. If I go. What is on? Hey. Ito. Come here. Madam, I'm with you. Thank you. You put on your body. this one. Oh yeah, yeah. See your mouth. Table. I didn't use this table this morning, but because of Madam ate on top of this table, it has to be like this. So guys, we are done eating. I've cleaned the table, done the dishes, which will dry before I put them where it's supposed to be. And Madam was cranky, so I had to back her. And I noticed that she has slept. She has slept because, you know, guys, if you watch from the beginning here, you saw we went for strolling, and after the morning strolling, I gave her her bath. She ate. She followed me and ate that custard and beans and plantain. So she was cranky, and I backed her. It did not stay 1 minute. She slept off. So she has slept. I'm going to put her down, and I have clothes I changed my bed sheet, and I want to spray the old bed sheet. Then I'll put clothes inside the washing machine. Like, I wash almost not every day, but when I see that clothes is becoming much, I just have to wash it. Yeah, so see you guys in the next clip. Okay. Change my sheet because it's a new week. Today is Monday. Yeah, so I always change my sheet every Monday. And if I don't do that on Sunday, I do that on Monday. Yeah, so let's go outside and spray these dresses.